guys, morning. Prepare na naman for duty, papasok na naman uli. Hirap ng bodyguard kahit na bagyo, ulan, rain or shine. Kailangan, trabaho pa rin, pasok pa rin, buti pa rin. Okay. It's time to work again. Morning.